How can trees communicate underground? You might think trees are silent, isolated beings. I'm Luca, a forest researcher, and I'm about to show you the hidden network that lets them talk. But how does this network actually work? Luca knows the fungal threads, called hyphae, act like tiny cables linking tree roots. Through them, trees exchange chemicals, hormones, and even slow electrical pulses. But how fast can these signals travel through the forest? Luca discovers that trees don't just whisper chemicals, they also fire electrical pulses, like a hidden nervous system. But why would a tree need to send electrical signals at all? Luca learns that electrical signals move quickly, letting trees warn neighbors of danger, such as insect attacks. How far can these warnings travel through the network? Luca sees that a warning can ripple across the whole forest, linking trees hundreds of meters apart. So, what does this mean for the way we think about forests? Luca realizes the forest is a single, communicating organism, where trees share information and resources underground, reshaping our view of nature as a networked community. But then, how can trees communicate underground? Luca discovers that trees aren't solitary. They're linked by a vast underground fungal web, the mycorrhizal network, that lets them exchange information. How does this network actually send signals? Luca watches hyphae act like tiny cables. The network transmits chemical messengers, hormones, and even slow pulsing electrical signals. Which of these moves fastest through the forest? Luca compares the messengers. Chemical cues drift slowly, like perfume, while electrical pulses zip like lightning. Why would a tree need such rapid signals? Luca learns that fast pulses let trees warn neighbors of danger, such as insect attacks, triggering defensive chemistry. How far can these warnings travel across the network? Luca sees a single alert rippling across the whole forest, linking trees hundreds of meters apart. This shows the forest behaves like a brain. How should this reshape our approach to forest conservation? How can trees communicate underground? They do it through the mycorrhizal network, a vast web of fungi linking roots and sharing chemical, hormonal, and electrical signals. Luca sees the forest as one living mind. That's the whole story at a glance. Now you know, draw me the world.